Should I proceed now? Okay. Good morning, everyone. Everybody has a creative potential, and from the moment you can express this creative potential, you can start changing the world. I would like to welcome one and all to day two of Hack Innova presented by Lords Easel. I'm Rayan Ahmed, your host, and I hope everyone is doing great and having a good time. So, before we start, I would like to ask you guys, do you know what day is it today?
Environment Day.
Yes, it's the World Environmental Day and is happily celebrated worldwide on the 5th of June every year. On this day, awareness and action programs are organized to support and protect our environment. Therefore, I urge everyone to create awareness about those things that affect the world and the environment in a positive way and in a negative way. Now, I know all of you are eager to know your results, but hold on to your seats because we have something equally exciting for you at ESEL. Our aim has always been to learn and develop ourselves, and so we will not let any of you go empty-handed. To break the ice, I will now like to call upon Ms. Rumeza and Mr. Siraj on behalf of the Technology Business Incubator. Over to you, Ms. Rumeza.
Thank you. Just a minute. Is my screen visible?
Yes, we can see your screen, Ms. Rumeza.
Thank you. So, generating problems is not a problem. Incubation is. Incubating with the right people at the right time. I am Ramaza Fatima, an undergraduate student from Lord's Institute of Engineering and Technology, Hyderabad. As I quoted in the start, incubation is a problem because we need to get to the right place at the right time. Lord's Institute of Engineering and Technology is the only minority institute containing an incubator. To realize growth and innovation, the ecosystem must function well for entrepreneurs. Such an entrepreneurial ecosystem is at Lord's Technology Business Incubator (TBI), with an interactive network of actors who influence each other and the chances of survival of a venture creator and his company in a region or a country. Teamwork helps solve problems. Collaboration within a group can help solve difficult problems. By working together, teams can find the solutions that work best. At Lord's TBI, we have Dr. Hafiz Basha, Director TBI. He has completed his master's from Japan. He has a leadership capacity that manages to convert vision into reality. Sheikh Mohammed Tajdar Ali Taj, a young graduate of Lord's Institute of Engineering and Technology, pursuing his master's in construction management, is among the few who not just think out of the box but also plans it and takes it to the level of accomplishment. He is the Chief Executive Officer of Lord's TBI. I am Rumaza Fatima and I am the IPR coordinator. The best part of our incubator is having vast facilities in it, few of which are seed grant. Seed grant is a very early investment that aims at helping a business grow and generating its capital. At Lodge TBI, you will be getting time-to-time seed grants from the incubator and up to 15 lakhs of support from MSME. Mentoring. We have 25 plus mentors from different areas as a good mentor helps to make a decision that helps each their goals. Then is networking allows you access to opportunities you might not be able to find on your own. IPR guidance. We have a dedicated IPR cell at Lodge to help and guide the young mind. Investor Connect. Along with industry support, we also provide Investor Connect to our incubatees so that the idea can be fueled up to give a rise. Co-working space. The facility at Lodge not just focus on incubating but will also help in post-incubation, one of which is the co-working spaces, wherein uh, wherein you will be getting to interact with your coworkers. Lord's TBI is also a part of Unnat Bharat Abhiyan, which is the flagship program of the Ministry of Education and Niti Aayog, in which Lords have adopted 5 villages, and our best projects will be implemented in those 5 villages to improve the facilities and infrastructure of the villages. What we provide to our startups: best mentoring, financial support, networking, best industry experts, advisory services. We support our startups in many ways, like infrastructure support, intellectual property, management, help in accounting, help in managing financial accounts, technological commercialization. Now, how to apply it? Step 1: get in touch with us. Present your idea, get incubated, produce your startup. You can always contact us on incubator at the lords.ac.in. Visit our website, and this is our Instagram handle. Over to you, Siraj. Thank you.
Hello and a very good morning to everyone present here. I am Muhammad Sirajul Haq and I'll be representing Lords Technology Business Incubator here. As our host told you that we have conducted this event, but we won't let anyone go empty-handed, and that is why we will announce the finalists and the others who, for some reason, for some unfortunate reason, couldn't make it to the final prototyping round. You are getting another chance through Smart Idea Fest, which is the first activity of Lord's Technology Business Incubator. So here we take in your ideas, or whoever is interested in getting incubation support at TBI can just fill the form, and we will shortlist a few ideas who will be directly taken into the TBI. The selection criteria for this event was different, and for that one will be different. So, and here had a very, say, minute chance, a little chance of winning, because the participants were around 60 plus, and we only selected in single digit. So that compared to the opportunity we are providing here at Idea Fest, Smart Idea Fest, is relatively high, and the probability of you getting selected is 1 in 4. That means 1 in 4 startups that are applying for Smart Idea Fest has an opportunity of getting selected. So I humbly implore you to take up this opportunity and pursue your ideas further. If this hackathon, Hackinova didn't work for you, maybe Smart Idea Fest will. So we'll be sharing the link to the form, to the application form for Smart Idea Fest. You can fill it, and we'll follow up with you. All the best. Over to you, Ryan.
Thank you, Ms. Rumeza and Mr. Siraj, for bringing in array of hope for all our participants, and I urge you all not to miss this second chance. Now, without any further ado, I would like to call upon our Honorable President, Mr. Obaidullah, to kindly release the results we are all eagerly waiting for. Over to you, Mr. President.
All right. First of all, a very good morning to one and all, and thank you, Ryan, for having me. First of all, I'd like to congratulate each one of you. We had over 65 teams that have participated in our Hackinova, and they were from various backgrounds, various areas, not just from Hyderabad and stuff. So there were a lot of teams, there were a lot of participants, and it was a great journey till date, till now. And it's first of all great to see you all with such amazing ideas and creativity. I personally really enjoyed the brainstorming sessions and the judging sessions, especially because all of you have done amazing works, and I applaud you for that. And I know all of you are eagerly waiting for the release of finalists, and don't worry, I'll not prolong. But before that, just remember that each one of you is a winner. And as a moderator and the Mr. Siraj and Ms. Rumeza had already told that none of you are going empty-handed from here. Either you will be in the finalist and you will win the prize, or else you can apply for the Smart India Smart Idea Fest, and then you can win over there. So with that being said, here are the finalists for Hackinova 2021, brought to you by Lords Easel. I guess we can create a hive, guys. So yeah, yeah. The first finalist is Team My Pick. Okay, Team My Pick or Innovation Geeks. Congratulations, Team Innovation Geeks, much deserved. And then the second finalist is Team F Society B. Congratulations, everyone of that team. And then the finalist number 3 is SE Group. Great. So congratulations, SE. You also were like much deserving. Great job. All the best. And then the finalist number 4 is Team WTRM. Congratulations. And then the finalist number 5 is Team Cube. Amazing. Congratulations, guys. And the finalist number 6 is Team Warzone. Congratulations. Then the finalist number 7 is Team Creative Thinkers. And finally, last but not the least, the finalist number 8 is Team Black A. So yeah, congratulations to each one of you for making it up till here. And from now on, I mean, all these participants will be preparing the prototypes in their respective team channels. And for congratulations to the finalists as well as to all those who didn't win. There's a lot of chance as well as for the Smart Idea Fest. You can apply there and you can win. Congratulations to each and everybody. Thank you for having me. Best of luck and have a good day.
Thank you, Mr. President, and a very hearty congratulations to all the finalists. All the participants and viewers, make sure you use the hashtag Lords Hackerfest while uploading anything on social media. Here is a quick word from our partner.